everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about my 5 favorite things in 2022 that are skincare products. So I'm going to go over them in the order of a typical skincare routine. So the first step is a cleanser, and this is Jordan Samuel's Matinee gel cleanser. I really like this one because I have oily acne prone skin. This cleanser is a gel consistency that feels very hydrating, not stripping, non-foaming. It also has lots of hydrating ingredients. It also has a touch bit of salicylic acid in it, which will really help exfoliate your skin gently during the second step. Like the first ingredient is aloe leaf juice. Maybe that's why it's so hydrating. Yeah, I really love this cleanser. Okay, so the second one is a vein tolerance lotion. This one is a extremely gentle cleanser. After, say, my appointment when I had the microneedling, I need something extremely gentle to cleanse my face, and this is it. You pour it onto a cleansing pad, and then you wipe it on your face to clean any debris when your skin is extremely sensitive and cannot take any active ingredients. I also like this to kind of use this as a micellar water, except I don't usually like micellar water. So I pour it on a cotton pad and wipe it on my face and get rid of any sweat or oily residues. It's not nice to wash your skin too often during the day, but if I need some kind of cleanse to feel refreshing, this is the product I use. So the third product is my Powerhouse Active, which is my tretinoin. So this one is 0.05%. I have been using tretinoin for almost a year now. I started with, I believe, 0.025%, and then this is the strength I'm currently on. As you can see, this is prescription tretinoin. I get it through an online skincare service. I can't say enough good thing about tretinoin, really. I've suffered severe acne, really, adult acne on my lower jawline pretty much the past 5 years, and this has been the only thing that can clear it up. Obviously it has been a journey. I started seeing effect after 3 months, and it's been 1 year of continuous use. Stop using tretinoin at night, my acne will come back. Yeah, and this is just a great strength for me to stay on. I never feel like there's any drying on me. Really, my skin tolerant this stuff really well. Okay, the fourth product is La Roche-Posay. This one is Tolerance Double Repair Matte Moisturizer. This is a late find, but it is a great find. It does exactly what it claims to. So it is a hydrating moisturizer which contains lots of this is ingredient ceramide and I believe niacinamide, yep, and oil absorbing powders. It works like magic. It feels like this dreamy gel cream that seals in moisture, but it dries down to a matte finish. Now the interesting thing about this matte finish is that it still makes your skin look very dewy. The best way to describe it is that this is not like a silicone primer. I hate those feelings. It just feels like it's clogging your pores, but this one, it really just feels like it has this magic power of making you feel very comfortable, especially if you have oily skin or combination skin. All right, we're coming down to our final product. So this is a hand cream, and it's by Necessaire. Necessaire marked all of the ingredients for their product on the package, so you can always check before you purchase something, see if any ingredients tend to be an irritant, and avoid that product. So for this hand cream, it contains a lot of peptide. My user experience with this product really is that it comes in a great package, perfect for travel, store in any tiny little drawers, your handbag, whatever. It feels very refreshing. It absorbs very quickly, but it also has a long staying power. Sometimes with hand cream, you really don't want the hand cream to just immediately disappear if you were to like cleanse your hands in between. This one I feel like lasts 3 washes, and it just looks really nice. There's nothing bad about it really. It's not too greasy if that's something that you want to avoid. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So those are the 5 products I really enjoyed in 2022. I want to try more things. I want to try more innovative things in 2023, and I hope to discover more product that tailored to my skincare needs. And I also want to, through this journey, to know more about myself, about what I enjoy. And if you enjoy this content, please leave a comment, like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.